Hello guys, so today's guys we have another vlog, and today's vlog we have two light setup from Godox SK400 Mark II. So ayan, we have a standard setup 45 degrees for each lights, and again the power of the main light is 1/4, and the second light with fill light is half of this main light, which is 1/4, so that is will be 1/8. So always half.
Why different power?
Para ano siya, pang shades lang. For shading, yes, yes. Tangan naman to, nag-interview na rin to.
Ay, kala ko kailangan ng opinion.
Yeah, again guys, so we will try and make photos with this Fujifilm Gfx 50R. Okay, and with the Godox SK400 Mark II. Again, this is a 1/4 power compared for half power of this main light and the fill light. And if you want to make a 3-light setup, or you can make a fill light on your shadow from ayan, itong ang tawag dito, U-shape. So let's try to take some sample photos, sample shot. Okay, one more. Okay, so this is that photo guys. So ayan, it's up to you. Kung gusto mong full body, it's okay, ganyan mo lang. Kaso you didn't set up for the background. Ayan, so this will be the light, and we will ayan. Again, my settings guys is f8 to shutter speed of 1/60 and ISO of 200. So again, 1/4 full power for the main light, and 1/8 half power the fill light for our settings. So again, let's take more photos and oh, okay na partner. And that's it for today guys. So I show you all the sample photos with our colleague, of course. We have here Calamoni, Brian, Robert, and Audrey. So I think that's it for today guys. Again, our vlog for today is the SK400 Mark II with the setup, how to set up the SK400 Mark II with the normal. Again, it's a normal setup, 45 degrees angle with the main fill light and main light. Again, flex time first on to flex may PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy FW. Nasa, wala nang upload, wala na yan. Wala na. Si Audrey na nandito, yan. Of course. Si Calamoni. Yan. At si Brian na nandoon. Si Brian na nandoon. Yan. Again, if you want to check the lights, if you want to test, you can bring your camera guys or memory card. We have sample camera here, demo camera, which is Sony. You can bring your own memory card and you can test the lights that we have. We have all the lights from Godox, SK300, 400, AD series, 600, 400, AD300, and AD200. Yan, it's available here with the demo, guys. So you can test and check the lights. Again, if you want to check also the price and the availability of the product from Godox, you can visit us here in Mega World, you can visit our website, www.aabworld.com. So hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.